industrial partnership between Tata and Airbus helicopters for production of H125 helicopters. Industrial partnership between Tata and Airbus helicopters for production of H125 helicopters with a significant indigenous and localization component.
Safran is fully willing to do it with 100% transfer of technology, 100% transfer of technology in design, development, certification, production, and so on and so forth. But it's obviously a very complex subject, and it has to fit in with the overall future requirements. So these discussions will continue to take place, and that's also part of the defense industrial roadmap.